Hunter enjoys Christmas present. Oh my God, they really enjoy it.
Let's crash.
Joel, can you move so I can see your train?
Yeah.
Can you move out the way so I can see your train?
Look. Daddy. Don't make my train.
Wow.
Time is so fast, Daddy.
This is the best Christmas present they ever had so far. Yeah, you like your train?
Just buy a battery.
Do you like your train?
Yeah.
Wow.
I just got one the battery. I'm just putting my train. I want to bring the bus first.
These guys are all about toys all the time.
What happened to Eagle Daddy? Oh.
Always toy, go to the store, always toys all the time. They are twins by 6 years. Hunter's 6 years older. They share the same birthday. Joe, that's too heavy. It won't go anymore. Too heavy.
Don't push it, push it. Don't push it so hard. Push it.
That one's out of battery.
We need 2 batteries.
Joel, don't mess it up. Don't step on it. Move. You don't step on the train track.
Oh, what's that? You don't touch it, okay? Remember it was a track.
What happened to the one that's on this one?
Oh, remember the car that George kept putting batteries in and taking out?
What happened to that?
George broke it. That's what happened. Uh-oh, it's gonna happen. We're gonna crash. We're gonna crash. We're gonna crash. Oh, oh, oh! Oh no! Keep going. Right? We're going. Ready? What? Those are rolling. Uh-oh. You're chasing. Oh, oh. Fix it, fix it. No. See Thomas. See Thomas. Which one did he go? Go. Leafy. Hey. Hey, come on. It's playing my train. It's your train. My train. I see you, Hunter. I see you, Hunter. I see you, Hunter. I see you, Hunter. I can't. I see you. Okay. No, that one not here. It's too heavy. Over here. Yeah.
No, it's too close.
What? That's crazy. I just
Nothing,
that crazy.
Wow, Thomas go around and around.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
pushing eagle.
Move the train. The train too heavy.
The pushing eagle.
Don't step on it.
I got it.
What are you playing? What is that?
Okay.
No, the one you touch it. What is it?
I was in fun.
What?
they're gonna fall. They're gonna fall.
Hurry, next.
Yeah,
Uh-oh, they're gonna crash.
Hmm?
Oh.
You move that to
Last
another
time,
way.
35,000 subscribe
Keep it
YouTube channel to somebody.
moving. Okay. Oh,